The ERP Cloud Toolbox procurement module makes order receiving easy. Let's see it in action. When deliveries come in, it's simple to receive them in Oracle. We can use the PO numbers to download the shipment info we need and do our receipt, adding the details directly in the spreadsheet. We can receive individual lines and ignore the rest for a PO, put in the item quantity, or receive the whole PO altogether. Put those other quantity details. We enter in the details for our lot controlled items. Advanced validation means we can check our data before we load it up to Oracle. We found an error in there. The messaging is clear. This item is serial controlled, so we need to put that information in. Easily done. Now we've fixed that, we'll load up to Oracle. Because we did that validation pass, we've got a high level of confidence in our data set. The data was accepted, it's in the interface now, so we need to set off the import job. We can control the whole process from the spreadsheet. Monitor the job queue. Success! Looks good. And we can refresh the sheet to see our results. Perfect. For direct deliveries we don't need any more steps, but those last 5 are standard receipts, so we need to put them away. We copy those receipt numbers into the transaction sheet and do that step. Quick download brings the receipt info in. We put in our action. We might change our quantities if we're separating our items, but we won't here. The lot and serial details go into, and we send them up to Oracle. Like before, we can kick off the import program, and we could monitor that in the job queue. And eventually we refresh the sheet to see what's happened. All done. You can't do it in ADFDI, and it's much easier and less clunky than FBDI or VBCS, and no other tool lets you do so much in one spreadsheet. There's a whole host of other great features in the procurement module, and you can find out more by going to our website or reaching out to a More4apps sales rep.